Hi everyone, today we'll talk about the extreme deepest metal detector. I will discuss the complete contents of our detection equipment. Could you please provide an overview of what is included in the complete package? Let's examine the contents of our bag together and see what we find. Similar to the standard package, the complete package comes with a double D search coil. This text is approximately 132 characters long. Extreme detector unit. Main unit of deepest model. Contains all the standard package's features, with no exceptions. A monocable coil that changes to 73 and 130 is included. For using the monocable coil, this text has 27 characters. If you apply this, the shorter one transforms into a 73 extender module. If you select this, it will become 130 liters. This text consists of 56 characters. Yes. Friends, this package has an M sensor. Extreme features an M sensor. Using the M sensor, you can use extreme deepest as a GPR. What benefits does this device, the complete package, provide, taking into consideration the many advantages it offers? DD2. With a 34 DD head, you see, the foundation of our device lies in pulses and pulse-based indications. However, when it comes to the head, we utilize the VDF technology with the unique double T head design. The monocable head can be used as a pulse with 73 and 130 heads, providing versatility for different applications. With the help of the M sensor, you have the ability to utilize it as a device for imaging purposes. Familiarize yourself with the exact price of an image. One device has 3 systems. We refer to this as all-in-one. Friends, it has an M sensor. A handle is offered to grip your coils, ensuring better control during usage. If you wish to hang it, there's a strap. It comes with one electric charger and one car charger. Cable. There are tools needed for setting up your coil and headphones. There's a bag for storage, friends. Yes, friends, the content of the extreme deepest full package is as follows. This text is 21 characters, nothing more. It includes 3 systems, 1 unit. 3 systems are combined in a single device. Decide for yourself how economical and advantageous it is. You can write your questions and comments below the video. We will definitely respond. You can also reach us for more detailed information. For information, feel free to visit the website directly, extremedetector.com. Alternatively, you have the option to make a direct purchase of the device on our website. Ensure your safety and prioritize self-care.